Let's talk about SpaceX's big rocket. It's called Starship. On April 20th, 2023, Starship had its first big flight. One of its engines stopped working, but it was still a big step forward. Elon Musk, the man who started SpaceX, said it was hard, but they did a good job. By December 2024, Starship had new engines and could do more things. It's not just about flying high, it's about making dreams come true. Did you know? Starship can be used again and again, making space trips cheaper. Think about living on Mars or the Moon. From small steps to big wins, SpaceX is making space travel possible. And remember, the sky is not the limit. Keep looking up at the stars, and hit that like button if you're excited for what's next. Don't forget to subscribe for more space fun.